Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your online class today. Dear learners, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe with your family. In our previous class, we discussed about food pyramid unit 6. Today, we will discuss a new unit 7. Be healthy. In this lesson, we see two persons are talking about their likings and dislikings about food, Shima and Nasrin. At first, we read the passage and see what are they talking. Please open your EFT book, page number 26, unit 7, lesson 1-2. Here you see two characters. You see in the picture there are two characters. The one is Shima and the another one is Nasrin. Shima. What are you doing, Nasrin? Nasrin. I am putting some chocolate on my ice cream. Ice cream is delicious with chocolate. Shima. Well, it looks good, but you shouldn't eat a lot of chocolate or ice cream. Nasrin. Of course, I don't eat them regularly. Shima. What kind of food do you eat regularly? Nasrin. Oh, fruits and vegetables. I love pineapples and bananas. They are my favorites. I eat cucumbers and lettuce a lot too. Shima. I eat fruits and vegetables every day. Carrots and tomatoes are my favorites, but I also like strawberry and bananas. Nasrin. Would you like to try some of my ice cream with chocolate? We should eat it quickly. It will melt soon in this hot weather. Shima. Okay, thanks. Now you see here the two persons, that is two girls, Shima and Nasrin, they are talking about their food likings, food habit. Okay. Now, page number 27, we see here some questions. Please open your exercise book and write down this question at first. Now we go to the board. What is Nasrin putting chocolate on? What is Nasrin putting chocolate on? What is Nasrin putting chocolate on? Nasrin is putting chocolate on, is putting ice cream, is putting ice cream. Ice cream. Nasrin is putting ice cream on Nasrin is putting chocolate on ice cream. Nasrin is putting chocolate on ice cream. Why doesn't Nasrin eat chocolate regularly? Because it is bad for health. Because it is bad for health. What does Nasrin say about ice cream with chocolate? Nasrin says about ice cream is delicious with chocolate. Ice cream is delicious. Ice cream is delicious with chocolate. Ice cream is delicious with chocolate. Number 4. What are Nasrin's favorite food? We know pineapples and bananas. Pineapples and bananas are Nasrin's favorite food. Pineapples and bananas are Nasrin's favorite food. Are these healthy food? Yes, we know these are healthy foods. What are Shima's favorite foods? Carrots and tomatoes. Carrots and tomatoes. Carrots and tomatoes are Shima's favorite foods. She also likes strawberries and bananas. Shima also likes strawberries and bananas. Are these healthy foods? Yes, we know these are healthy foods. I request all of you to practice this question answer again and again. Now, go to page number 28. Should and shouldn't. We use should and shouldn't to give advice. Okay? Now, we make sentence by using should and shouldn't. At first, we write a table. One, two, three, four. 1, 2. That means column 1. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 3, column 4. Okay? You should. You shouldn't. Column 2, eat, cross, answer, talk, do. Column 3, the road, you teacher, in class, your homework, vegetables. Okay. Column 4, politely, carefully, regularly, loudly, carelessly, Now we make the sentences. The first one, we use we should, you should not. You should eat, suppose we do, you should eat vegetables. Okay, you should eat vegetables regularly. Okay, you should eat vegetables regularly. Shouldn't. You should not cross the road carelessly. Okay, you shouldn't cross the road carelessly. Then we use you should. You should answer your homework, or no, you should do your homework. You should answer your teacher. You should answer your teacher. You should talk in the class. You should answer your teacher politely. Okay? You should answer your teacher politely. Shouldn't. You shouldn't. You shouldn't talk in the class loudly. Okay? You shouldn't talk in class loudly. Do. You should do your homework carefully. Okay? You should do your homework carefully. So, today we learn to use should and shouldn't to make the sentences. You practice it again and again, then it will be easy for you to make sentences by using should or shouldn't. Okay? Now we will go to our homework. Write down your access proof, this homework. Today our homework is write a short composition. Write a short composition about a healthy meal you eat. Okay? Use the following word. Vegetables, lentils, fruit, healthy, dairy, unhealthy, and oil. Okay? Write a short composition. That means you write at least 5 or 10 sentences about healthy meal. About a healthy meal you ate. Okay? Use the following words. You use these following words by writing this composition: vegetables, lentils, fruit, healthy, dairy, unhealthy, and oil. By using these words, you make a short composition. You must do it and send it to the school web page. Here we finish our today's lesson. See you in our next class with a new lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.